Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Eddy Show. I'm your host Eddie Ray, where we do tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. In today's episode, I'm going to give you my top 3 ways I use scene presets in XSplit Broadcaster. Stay tuned. A little while back, XSplit released scene presets for use in XSplit Broadcaster. The name alone doesn't really give you an idea of what can be done, so I decided to use the feature myself to see what was possible. After watching a short demo video, I soon realized this was a feature that would make XSplit Broadcaster so much more powerful. Think of scene presets as ways to animate your sources within each scene. Here are my top 3 ways I use scene presets currently. Number 1. Since I live stream video games a lot, I always like going from my gaming scene with a smaller webcam and switching scenes to a full screen cam to talk with my viewers between gameplay. With scene presets, this makes it so much more efficient and better looking too. No switching scenes, just hit a hotkey or use the Elgato Stream Deck, soon to be implemented, to switch instantly from my small webcam view to full screen. Super smooth animation and in real time. Number 2. The second way I use scene presets is to go between gameplay and live chat while streaming. Whether gaming or doing a podcast or interview, I found this to be a fun and dynamic way to transition during the stream from one full screen source into half and half, where my half the screen features chat and the other half has my webcam. XSplit scene presets allow 3 presets per scene, so use your imagination and take full advantage of this feature. Number 3. Finally, I love to start my streams with a starting soon screen. Instead of changing scenes or clicking the eyeball behind the graphic when starting, I simply hit a hotkey which switches presets. It hides my starting soon screen and goes right into a view of my webcam and gameplay or chat to start the stream in a very professional looking and smooth manner. And one more thing. Check the description of this video for a full playlist on XSplit and live streaming, including a tutorial explaining how to use your own scene presets. If you need help, there are plenty of tutorials on this channel, or of course, leave your questions below. Hit that like button for the episode and subscribe. I'm Eddie Ray for the Tech Eddy Show. We'll see you back here next time. Thanks for watching.